Easy digestible bits. That's what I want to do for this. So JShell. So let's go ahead and create a map. Again, java.util, it's in there. So map. So we have two things we want to map. I'm going to be doing like that whole student ID, and I'm going to do student ID translated to name. So integer to string is my mapping, right? I'm using two generics. The key, one for the key, one for the value. So the integer and is going to be the key, and the string is going to be the value. The string is going to be the value, in case you can make that over the dinging. Okay. New hash map, and just like a regular, generics, you don't have, you can do just that inference right over here. Works out fairly well. Why are you trying to boot up? Okay. All right, so there's our map. Notice it's in curly braces. That's kind of the way it works. All right, so let's go ahead and do map dot put, and I'll just kind of do 905.921.355. That's gonna, you know what? I'm gonna shorten it. Otherwise, it's gonna be annoying to type out. And that's what we're gonna put that as me, Andrew Rosen. That is my ID number. And given the ID number, you can get that. It returns null there because we don't have anything previously associated with that. Now, if we print out our map, we set, look at this binding, 905.921, and gives me Andrew Rosen. Okay, let's go ahead and put in something else. Map.put 123. That'll be Alice. Map.put 456. That'll be Bob. And again, notice that it's not that the order that they get printed out in, it's not sorted in any regard, right? You can't make heads or tails of it or any assumption over it. It doesn't give you the order that it's inserted. It does look like it's been, that's giving it in reverse the order it's been inserted, but that just happens to be a coincidence for this time around. Right? There's no rhyme or reason to how we put it in. So for instance, we might put in map.put 127 Carl. Yeah, that's, notice that 127 shows up where you kind of least expect it. Really just depends. So map. So how do we get values out? Map.get is how we get values out, right? So I'm gonna, if I say map.123, it's gonna return Alice. Oh, that's the string 123. If I would give it the map, that key doesn't exist. So if I say map.get this number, 123, it gives me Alice back. If I say 124, it's going to give me null because there is no key 124 in this list, or in this map. If we do, okay, that's not what I wanted to do. If I do 456, it'll get me Bob. If I do map.getBob, it's also going to give me null because because we have to get a key. Key is how you put everything in and get everything out. You don't, otherwise it's just not going to work. Okay. So you need to use a key. You can't put in a value and get the key back out. That will not work. That never works. There's nothing that you can do to make that work. So it's always the key. So here, right, let's give one final. 905.921 is going to be Andrew, just that, and it gives me Andrew Rosen. And then finally, if I do map.put, if I do map.put 456 and do Barb instead, it'll return Bob, the previous value that we had for 456, and it'll be updated.